Okay, so you've effleuraged your leg to warm it up. If you find that a client has got a particularly tight calf, then feel free to loosen it up with a bit of kneading after you've done your effleurage inside and outside. So it's a good move for loosening up the calf. Then we can friction very lightly the back of the knee. Where you have these creases on the knee and the elbow, you tend to get a blockage in the lymph nodes. So by lightly frictioning the back of the knee, you can loosen up any blockage in the lymph nodes. And then pushing any blockage further up into the thigh, so that then when you come to do your effleurage, and then the outside effleurage, you're pushing it up the leg. I'm just going to do a reverse effleurage now to bring me in for kneading. So we're going to knead, roll, and knead the inside and the outer thigh. So we're kneading all the way down and all the way back up. And then we can roll. So again, getting the hands under the leg, rolling all the way down to the knee and back. And then we're going back into kneading all the way down the thigh and back up. So we're working on things like the gracilis, the adductors, part of the sartorius, especially down the bottom. Maybe the vastus medialis underneath. Then I'm going to keep a hand on and go around the other side. And I'm going to go straight into kneading on the far thigh, all the way down to the knee and back. And then rolling. And then we'd be doing the percussion normally, but I'm going to leave percussion for you to practice a bit before we put it into the treatment. So we're going to go straight back into kneading at the end of it. Then we're going to keep a hand on, and a nice place to friction as we come back round is to friction around the Achilles tendon. So frictioning where the Achilles joins the calcaneal bone. And then that brings you nicely into your effleurage. I'm just going to do one to show you. Flick it away. So I want you to combine these kneading and frictioning movements to your effleurage that you've been practicing. So again, towels tucking underneath and this side into the pant line. And we're going to lubricate. It's the beauty of having a trolley and not using the surfaces around your house. Because every time you knock the oil over, you'll get oil up the wall, all over the carpet. So it is good to have a trolley. Okay, so I've warmed it up, and as I said before, if you've got a tight calf, you can do a nice bit of kneading in the calf. And then frictioning of the back of the knee. So this is going in the middle of your treatment. Then you do your inside calf, inside thigh, and then outside thigh. So then after frictioning, you're going to do your inside thigh outside thigh, and I'm going to use that linking effleurage to bring me in for kneading. So kneading all the way down to the knee and back. Keeping an eye open for local contraindications. So now I'm rolling. So if I had a bruise, a broken vein, I might avoid that. Or sunburn, lumps, bumps, bruises, abrasions. All of those would be little things I would avoid. And then I'm kneading all the way up. And then keep a hand on and go around the other side. Straight into kneading on the far hip. Down the thigh to the knee. And then rolling. And then kneading. And then as you come round, I'm going to friction the Achilles tendon where it attaches to the calcaneal bone of the heel. And then you would finish with your effleurage. And flick it away.